Hi friends, welcome to WebChamp. In this video, I'm going to discuss filters in Power BI. Okay, so when we create the visuals, okay, sometimes what we need to do is we need to filter the data based on the any specific category. Okay, and let's say you have created the visuals. Okay, so there are three levels of filter in Power BI. Okay, if you come to the filter pane and look here, okay, the first level is filter on this visual. Okay. So whatever the number of categories you will use, all those categories will be added here as an or in the in the field of filter on this visual. Okay. Next one is filter on this page. Okay. So if you drag the fields in this area, meaning the filter on this page section, so what will happen? That filter is going to work on the all the visuals which are sitting on this page. Okay, and there is something called filter on all the pages. Okay, if you apply the filter on the page one, it will reflect or it will filter the data from entire report. If you add the fields to the filter on the page, on all the page. Okay, so this is how we have three layers of filters: filter on this page, filter on this visual, and filter on all pages. Okay, let's say I have created this table here, and let me create the same table on this table also. At very first place, what I will do, I will select this visual and I will just go to the category. Okay, and from this category I will select only bike, or I will deselect the bike. Okay, accordingly changes will happen in my this visual. Okay, in this visual. Okay, let's say before doing this, I suppose to create the one more visual on this page. Okay, let me select this, and yes, copy and paste. Just paste here once, so that we will have the copy of this visual. Okay, let me remove this. Now if I say paste, okay, right. So on this page, how many visuals I have? I have two visuals. Okay, and if I go here in the field of filter on this visual, and if I try to apply the filter on the category, okay, this will work only on the visual which I have selected. Okay, if I select the bikes here, so this will change the visual which was selected while filtering, but this is not going to affect anything with respect to other visuals on the same page. If you want to filter the data on all the visuals, what you need to do is you need to add this category to the filter on this page level. Okay, if you add that category here, so you will be able to perform that. Okay, I will bring the category here and I will select all and remove the bikes. Okay, so this is how it works. This is how it works. So now you can see that all my both the visuals, even you may have n number of visuals on this page. So all the pages, I mean all the visuals will get affected by this filter from this section, filter on this page. Okay, but if I came to page 2, you can see that nothing is affected here. So if you want to filter the data from entire report, what you need to do is you need to bring the category to filter on all the pages section. Okay, and here if you apply, okay, I will go before applying the filter. What I will do, I will remove the filter from this filter on this page. Okay, and now here you can see that I'm going to add the filter on all the pages. I will select this and I will remove the bike. even though I applied the filter on page 2, but if you go to the page 1, you can see that the same thing happens here. It is able to filter the data from all the visuals of this report. Okay, so in Power BI we have 3 layers of filters. First one is filter on this visual. What are the visuals you have selected? Okay, it will work for that visual only. If you want to have the filter which will work for that single page only, you can add that field to the filter on this page level. And if you want to filter the data from entire report, okay, irrespective of page and visual, so what you can do, you can drag the field in filters on all the pages. Apart from this, there is one more visual filter also. That is what we refer as an slicer. Okay, so if you want to add the filter on all the visuals, okay, so you can go and you can add the slicer also. Okay, it will help you to filter the data from the visual level itself, not visual level. I mean the it is one of the visual, and you can filter the data, okay, from slicer also. If I select the Canada, it will change, okay, and all the things are going to change. Even not only this, if you go, okay, so the slicer works on all the visuals of same page. Okay, it is not going to work on another page. It is not going to work on another page. Okay, if I remove everything, we will see the same amount 1040 on both the pages. Okay, but if I apply this filter, okay, it will work only on the a page which I have selected. This is how it works. This is how it works. Okay, fine. So this is what the another kind of filter. And in this way, we can filter the data in Power BI visuals or Power BI reports. I hope you like the content of this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day.